Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys for hunting cars online. Or in this case, a pickup truck. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we got the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick. So we're going to check out this little truck and see what it has to offer here. So we have the XL, the XLT, and the Lariat currently available. And so we have several options here on the engine. So let's look at, let's go ahead and go into the XL and just start there. And so there we go. Basic looking, it looks very much like the Explorer. Honestly, I really don't like the front end. The front end looks really bad on this truck. Rear end, the rear end of the truck looks hideous. This kind of profile looks pretty good, but the rest of the truck really does look hideous. It's not a pretty truck. But let's check out the colors. So obviously that's black, Oxford, white, Area 51, which is pretty cool looking. Got that cactus gray that I like. That one's looking good. Conic silver, and of course the Velocity blue, which everybody has right now, which looks really nice. Alrighty, so we have the basic equipment pack. We have the Ford Co-Pilot 360. Definitely don't need that. Those things are scary. So let me tell you, if your car starts turning in traffic by itself or braking in traffic, that means that you have a problem. The car should not be able to control how you drive. That is not a good idea. You should be in full control of your vehicle. Please stay in full control of your vehicle. It's not a good idea to let your vehicle do the driving. Alright, so we got splash guards. I definitely will want that. Now, trucks with splash guards are good. We got a bed divider kit. Don't need that. Toolbox swing case. We got the touch-link truck bed lighting. Oh, that's interesting. Got a bed extender, bed liners, bed mat removable, protection film, window air deflector. Nice. Manual wheel sliding door. We don't need that. Trailer hitch receiver with full pin connector. Death prevention, full-size spare tire. Definitely want that. See, these are big crossbars now. We don't need that. So there's the interior. Doesn't look terrible. Let me see here. These are the interior options. So we have floor liners, all-weather tray style, floor liners, all-weather tray style, carpeted floor mats. Okay, so we definitely don't want the carpeted. That's not good. Power tilt slide moonroof, don't need that. Console vault, don't need that either. So let's take a look. So we have the hybrid, which gets you 191 horsepower and 155 pounds of torque. Or we have the simple thing to opt into, which is 250 horsepower and 277 pounds of torque. You know what we're getting. It's like, I'm not sure who thought that was a good idea. Oh yeah, let's put a hybrid engine that doesn't have any power in a pickup truck. That was dumb. I'm not sure who thought that was a good idea. You need torque in a truck. I mean, come on. It's very simple. So, we're definitely going with the torque vehicle. But all-wheel drive is only available. Oh, no. Okay. Available with the 2.0. You know what we're going with. All-wheel drive with that little 2.0 liter. Yep. Get a little bit of grip when it rains. Gotta do that. And so that's about it on all the options and etc. So let's take a look. So your estimated net price on the XL with the options that I need puts us at $25,225. That is a really, that is not a bad price for a pickup truck. That is really good. Alrighty, so let's go back up here. We're gonna go to the next model, which we're gonna skip XLT because I don't think there's gonna be a whole lot there, but we're gonna go straight to the Lariat, which I think will be interesting. Alrighty, so this one gets a little bit of a different look. You get a little more chrome, it looks like. So let's check out Shadow Black, Oxford White, Auto Blue, Not bad. Area 51. We got the Cyber Orange. We got the Hot Pepper Red. We have the Iconic Silver. We got the Rapid Red. Carbonized. I'm going to go with the Velocity again. The Velocity Blue. I do like this blue. It does look really good. So we're going to... yeah, see, the front end looks a little bit better because you don't have just the blackout. It looks a little bit better. It really does. Just by having the chrome, it looks better. Still don't like the rear end, and the headlights really do need something. I don't know what it needs, but it needs something. Alrighty, let's go through here. First edition package. What does it offer? Black painted roof, black mirrors. I do like the black painted roof and stuff, but nothing that I overly need. Luxury package. What's in here? Let's see. 4-way headrest. Adaptive cruise control, bed tie down, Ooh, electric brake boost. Not sure if you need that, but it's interesting. Heated steering wheel, heated wiper pack. Heated wiper pack. Now that makes sense. That makes sense because we do have some times in Florida where we could use that. But that's like the only time. The seats and the steering wheel, those naturally warm up by body heat, so you don't really need that. Key fob. Lane centering, blahness, and etc. Full-size spare tire, though. Yeah, well, I'd go ahead and add that. There's probably a few things you can kind of tweak out or something if you need to. Let's see. Yep, we got that added. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, wheel options. So, bright aluminum or black painted aluminum. You know what we're going with. Black painted aluminum. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Yep. Ooh. Yep. Yeah, those look better. Going with the splash guards again. We really don't... let's see. Toolbox swing case. Yeah, there's really nothing in the bed that I really use. Bed mat. Let's see. Hard drop in. Box cover. Protective film. Nope. That's the bed crossbars. Yeah, I don't need those either. So we can take those out. Alrighty, so we got desert brown inside here. Ooh. Those look good. That looks really good. Alrighty, let me see here. So we got floor liners. We don't need the carpeted ones. Don't need the moon roof. Tin V outlet, that would be nice. Let's see. Oh, yep, can't have that. Have to remove a bunch of stuff. Let's see. B&O premium audio with 8 speakers. Oh, okay. So that's already included with whatever package we had. I'm gonna get my 2.0 EcoBoost in there. We're gonna get my all-wheel drive. There we go. We got our 8-speed transmission, and let's check out our base total. And that is really not that bad. That is for a little pickup truck. That is really not that bad. With, I think, let's see, these leather seats. I think these are leather seats. Let's see. Bucket front seats. See the details here. Oh, power 8-way power. Oh yeah. This is to get 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 6-way manual adjustable front passenger seat, front floor console with e-shifter, armrest, storage, full bench, cup holders, armrests. Oh yeah. Yeah, so just based on that alone, that's a good price. So, because you usually don't get all of those options for this price down here. You don't get that. So, and also you're getting all-wheel drive. You're getting the EcoBoost engine swap over, which is nice. So yeah, that's not bad. And yeah, this does look better. I'm still not sold on the front end or rear end, but this particular trim level, the front end looks a lot better on it. I do like that. It seems like it needs, I don't know, with the chrome, it needs something else. I really don't know what it needs. It maybe a refresh, but already it needs a refresh. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good though. But anyways, yeah, that's the Maverick. And so, honestly, if I was going to be looking at this truck, I'd honestly just go ahead and go with the Lariat, spec it out to what I need, and go from there. And if I was going with this pickup truck at all, I'm definitely switching over to the 2.0 liter to get the proper amount of torque that I need in a truck, because I don't know what they were thinking with the hybrid. That's just dumb. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That's a pretty cool little truck. Front end, rear end needs help, but other than that, looks pretty good. The interior looks pretty good too, honestly. I mean, let's see. I'm gonna scroll back down again, and yeah, that looks like a pretty good amount of interior. I'm interested about how much space is in here, because they got the seats tilted backwards, so I'm interested in how all those work. But also, you see how they've added the room with the seats here. I'm interested, because I can speculate that this is more comfortable than the Honda Ridgeline, just because of looking at this, because the Honda Ridgeline has just, or at least since before they did the refresh of the Ridgeline just has flat back seats. It doesn't have any space for your legs to go. And also it's a flat rear seat as well, so you're not getting, your legs aren't going up in the air, which to help offset the space, because you're just flat out and your legs are just going straight into this seat right here. And these are and there's no space in the back seat of the Honda Ridgeline. So I'm interested in knowing, because I wasn't able to send this, so hopefully this is at the International Car Show again here in Florida and I can check this out. But these seats look really good. I really do like them. They look good. So anyways, guys, that's the Ford Maverick. Hopefully you liked that video. I definitely think that's a pretty cool truck. I mean, that's a pretty good little price going on for the truck as well. So I like that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here next time. Bye.